الله أكبر الله أكبر.
After Fajr, I start my day with breakfast and a fresh mind. Online school means I can begin my lessons right from home. No rushing to catch the bus. Once I log in, I check my dashboard and start my self-paced lessons. Each subject has tasks I can complete in my own time. Videos, notes, and quizzes that keep me thinking and learning. After some focused work, it's time for Dhuhr prayers and a break. Some days I stretch, read a book, and sometimes I take my bike out for a quick ride to clear my mind before jumping back into class. When I'm back, I review my other subjects, like Islamic studies and programming, to see if there are new lessons or assignments waiting for me. It's all in one place, which makes it easy to stay organized. Before my live lesson begins, I make sure I'm dressed in my school uniform and ready to learn. Even though we're online, it still feels like I'm part of a real classroom. At the end of the day, I've learned, connected, and grown, all from the comfort of home. Online school makes learning convenient, focused, and flexible. No traffic, no travel, just learning from anywhere. So, if you're ready for a smarter way to study, sign up for Siraat College Online School today.